Here we come to DSE Physics 2012 structured question 5. So we are talking about a hunter and monkey experiments here. The hunter is aiming at the coconuts, not the monkey this time, and fires a bullet with 45 meters per second initial velocity at an angle 20 degrees, aiming at the coconuts. So we can resolve the initial velocity into its horizontal component. So it's 45 cosine 20, and vertical component uy is equal to 45 sine 20 degree. So we are going to find the time taken for the arrow to hit the coconut. The time of flight depends on horizontal motion because the arrow has to go from here to here through a distance of 60 meters. So 60 meters is sx. So we can use the consider the horizontal motion and write down the equations of motion. Sx equals uxt. Sx is 60. Ux is 45 cosine 20 degree. That gives us the time of flight is 1.42 seconds. So that means it takes 1.42 seconds for the arrow to go from here to here. So we would like to know part 2, the height of coconut from the ground at the moment the arrow hits it. Before we find the height from the ground, I would like to find the distance measured from the original position of the coconut. And so we consider the vertical motion of the arrow, and we write down sy equals ut plus half at squared. We got the time 1.42 seconds. We want to calculate how far is the distance that the arrow is being dragged down by gravity during this 1.42 seconds. So u can be assumed to be 0. So s is equals to half negative 9.81, and t is 1.42 seconds square. So sy is equals to 9.89 meter. This is the distance dragged down by the gravity from its original destination, that is the coconut, 9.89 meter. So we can measure, we can calculate the distance from the ground because the coconut is originally 25 meters above the ground. So the height from the ground is equals to 25 meters minus 9.89. So it is 15.111 meter.